This is a caramel kudu. It has marks in it, that's the nature of the leather. It's where the animals have rubbed themselves against the wire and scarred themselves, but that's the nature of the kudu. On these, we just use a natural polish. Just wipe over. It's a nice natural colour, nice country colour. Brush them up. If you've got no brush, then use your cloth. I advise you to do this about 3 times after wear. About 3 times after you wore them. Not every time, but you can do if you want to. And that is your neutral, that is your caramel kudu. Your welt, if it's a natural welt, don't try and put brown on your upper because it will go onto your natural welt and it will stain it. It's a natural welt, so please stick to your neutral.